Hi, today I would like to show you top 3 apps that pays free payer money instantly to make money online, but this is also supports PayPal and other payments options as well. So opportunity is limitless. You can work on it's a worldwide opportunity, so no matter where you live you can just go and earn a decent amount of money every month. So I'm going to show you how you are going to make money. So we are going to make money by reading emails. Yes, I'm going to show you 3 websites. The first one that I'm to show is called clickgenie.com. Yes, clickgenie.com is the first website today that pays to read emails. So simple is this. Get paid to read emails is very good sites that according to their statement you can make up to 4 cents for every emails you read. So this is the thing you see. This is the website. You can just browse through clicksgenie.com and you can see that how this is working, and your payment is instant. You can see your whenever you ask for payments, and the minimum payment is only 1 cent. So why not try that? This is very easy process. You simply reach 1 cent and you can ask for payment and it will be instantly to your payment account. So simply this is the one and only websites that are really getting popular right now. And I'm going to show 2 more websites, but see how people are making every day. A payments proof are here. You can see people are making cents, 36 cents, 24 cents. It's not much, but it adds up. More time you spend on reading emails, more money you can make as well. So this is the thing. Already this website already paid more than $8,000 to the peoples who reading emails and earning money. So this is a really simple. Opportunity is limitless. If you want to go into this website, you simply click the register button and it will show you simple form. You input your basic informations and captcha and hit submit, and you are going to be as a member. But remember one thing you have to remember: when you after a register, they are asking for your promotional emails mail, which is where you are going to read your emails. You need to be careful about that, because I suggest you do not insert your main email or primary or master email account there. It should be different from that, so that because you will getting more and more emails daily and it's like a spamming. So if you're using your main email in that, then it will be a total mess. So you simply do not insert your main email there. So simply just go over to Google and create a new Gmail account for that, and submit that email and address to reading emails and submit in ClickGenie, so that you can get those promotional or sponsored emails. That will be lots of emails you have to read, and you should not use your main emails there. You will get hundreds of emails every day. You just read all those emails, simply click on it and it's okay to that, and move on to the next email, and you can earn a decent amount of money. Like if each email is giving you like 4 cents, then for reading 100 emails you will easily get $4. So this is easy money for you. So the second website that I'm about to show in this video, which is called volutic.com. Yes, this is volutic.com, is also a really good website to earn money reading emails. So they are saying earn money by reading emails. You go to the website, you can see you can read through how they are paying, and obviously they also pay instantly to you, and their minimum payout is 20 cents only. So it's very easy to reach and ask for payouts, and it will be instantly transferred to your bank account. So this is really awesome, and all those supports Payeer as well. So if you're liking a Payeer account, if you are a Payeer user, you can use that to get your payments as well. So they also have some lucrative referral systems. If you promote those your referral link, and you will get $1 when your referred user reach $1. So this is a win-win situation for everyone. And so far they also paid out more than $5,000 to their users, and they you can see the payments proofs if you click on payment proofs. And if simply want to join there, simply click on register. It will load the simple form, basic information, you fill it up and hit register, and you're good to go to read emails. But remember, two emails you have to use. You have to input your master email as a registration, then you input your secondary email, which you will read your emails to, because that email is going to be burst by thousands of emails every day. So it's a very good things to separate that from your regular email. So I am going to show you the third website, which is called paid to read email.com. The address is paid-to-read email.com. So this is a really good and old site. You can go through the sites, you can go through the process, how it works, how you can get paid, and you can see that they also not going to give you money for reading emails. They also have some offers, they also have some referrals as well, and their payout limit is $15. It's a little much than other two sites, but it's okay. You can get more money per reading emails, and this site is working since 2005. You can see that. So this is a really good old site that paying still to their members. You can simply insert your basic information and hit sign up, and you're good to go to read emails from this website. So if you working on these three websites, paid to read emails, volutic.com and clicksgenie.com, you are going to make more than $10 every day. If you just work regularly, you can combination of three of them, you can easily earn $10 per day, and it will be like $300 per month. So it's a really handsome pocket money for you to earn money reading emails. I know it's not going to get you rich, but simply some decent amount of pocket money. Why not try some half an hour or hour by reading emails and making a good amount of money? So this is it, guys. If you're liking this method, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. New videos are uploaded daily on Moneyhorn. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.